put Zart in jail. Well, you know what? He really deserved it, didn't he? After what he's done to everybody, it's so sad. But, oh, it looks like he has a note in there. Let's see if we can read it. Okay. Buddy, please. Oh, geez, it's hard to read it. Let me see if I can pull it out. Okay. It's going to be a little bit crinkled, but I think we can work with it. Okay. Buddy, please let me out. I have a gift for you. Zart has a gift for Buddy? That's so sweet. Well, you know what? The keys are right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the jail. I don't know if Zart's going to fly out or not. I'm kind of scared, actually. I've caught them flying once in person that I've seen with my own eyes, but that was it. So I don't know. Oh, jeez. Sorry about that, buddy. Okay, so it looks like Zart's not moving. Okay. So let's see what gift. Oh, it's one of those world's smallest. I wonder which one we're going to get inside. Okay, let's open it up and see. Comment down below if you think we'll get the Etch-A-Sketch, the Rubik's Cube, the Doodle Top, Polaroid keychain, the Magic 8-Ball, Barbie, Yo-Yo, the phone, Hot Wheels, or Little Green Army Men. Smallest. Okay. I got my handy dandy scissors. Okay. Whoa! It's the Etch-A-Sketch. Oh boy, I am so excited. Look how cool this is. These things are so tricky. Oh geez, I'm trying to draw an elf on the shelf because that was his hat, but it does not seem to be working out too well, but I am so excited. You know what, Zart? That was so nice of you to get this Etch-A-Sketch right here for Buddy. Put it right here for him. Well, I am going to head off, and I will see you guys later in a little bit, and I will film if Zart got out. As we can see, Zart got out of jail, but he has a hammer. What do you think he did with that hammer? Yeah, that's right. Buddy looks like he was having the time of his life playing with the Etch-A-Sketch, and I think Zart hit it, and I'm really confused because I don't know if you can see, there is so much glitter everywhere. And I just feel really bad for Buddy. Like, he still even has a big smile on his face. How can he be smiling after Zart did that? That's just terrible. Let's take a closer look at the Etch-A-Sketch. So look, it's broken. He completely smashed it. Zart, that was so mean. Well, comment down below what we should do with Zart, if we should do anything at all. There's just so much glitter. Well, if you like this video down below, you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel down below where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf does. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Thanks so much for watching.